Hi, my name is Scott Kumer. I've been a coatings contractor for over 20 years now. Today we're here in a luxury apartment complex in Pasadena, California. Alliance Property Management contacted me hoping to salvage their pool deck. They didn't know what to do. They thought they needed to overlay the entire deck, but I told them, hey, there's no need for that. It just needs some life brought back into it, in which I brought in samples of classic coatings, and they loved it. The reason why we lean towards classic coating systems materials is due to the fact that, one, no VOCs, no odor, 100% compliant within the state of California, which is where we live. And we all know that California has some of the most stringent laws when it comes to coatings materials today on the market. We started with existing old concrete that had a lot of irregularity and faded tones. As you can see, there's calcium on the concrete, in which we came in and cleaned with Super Eco Etch Organic Cleaner. So the process that you're going to watch here today with this pool deck is one application of the FX Cocoa colored stain, okay, in which that you guys can see looking forward, one very light application. What a dramatic difference that this has made. Now, this deck will require 2 applications of the cocoa color, which is a water-based acrylic stain. Now guys, I want you to pay special attention to how fast this material dries, unlike other stains that are on the market. We just applied this product literally a minute and a half ago, and it's already beginning to dry in multiple locations, in which that in 5 to 10 minutes from now, it will be walkable and recoatable. I myself have been a coatings contractor for over 20 years, been using classic coating systems from their origin, okay? And I can tell you that comparatively to everything else that I've used throughout the marketplace, slower drying times, heavier pigmentations in which that leave multitudes of streaking. If you look across that deck, the ease of this application of what we just did with this transformation in just a dip, brush, and just apply is so simplistic comparatively to other materials that are available. And at the end of the day, the truth and the fact is that, one, classic coating system stains are price competitive, the ease of the application and the aptitude in which that it takes to apply these products is very low. Then I came back in with the Quick Seal Wet Look High Gloss Sealer and the Gator Grip Additive. Take a look at how much the sealer enhances the color. You can really see the difference. We used about 8 gallons of stain and 5 gallons of sealer total to complete this job, which isn't a lot of material. So we were able to keep costs down by a lot, which is another reason why I love this product. It stretches very well. One thing that I can honestly say about classic coating systems is their customer service representation, the ownership, the upper management is superior when it comes to providing the products in which that we all need on a day-to-day basis to make us better at our jobs.